Hey guys, so update. A neighbor actually came by and helped me to check. The bird actually did not survive. He said he thinks that the fall was actually the one that did it. I wish there was more that I could do because I love helping with the other animals, and this one, it actually hit me a little bit hard seeing a baby bird like that. And there's so many questions on how it ended up there and stuff like that, but my neighbor said it's just like nature and stuff like that, and I do understand what he's saying. So I decided to give you guys the update.